So we are going to enter on the bridge. So this will give a very good view. So as I said, on top is the way for the vehicles, and even footpath is there. Then the down part, or from my right side, you can see there, that's the railway track. So from there the railway will be coming straight, and this is how the vehicles road is connected. So it's a very well planned bridge, and even from here also can get a good view. I want to take a complete shot on this bridge. So look at the structure, it's very huge. Look at on my right also. Wow. Bay nó Hawaii đấy ngay, giáo phiên này ngay, Brahmaputra đuôi thuộc đó mình kiểu hay thế. Bye rất Hawaii đấy ngay. So we visited Golpara, met my sister, and then had lunch. And now we are going back to Bongaigaon. I think we can also make a short break here and take a photo maybe. So we stop here. Policemen here to check that everything is fine. So both ends policemen are posted. So from the same bridge, now on my left is the railway track, and then on the right side is the road for the vehicles and the people to walk. So a lot of construction is also going at the moment to I think make 4-lane here. Diversion, go slow. Look at this, how high the road will be. This is very good. They want to make it level or anything.
They are planning to make a very huge storage facility or something here.
Okay, storage.
Yeah. Because rail line is there. Road is there. Road is going to be 4-lane. Then by river also they have the possibility of transport.
Oh, okay. So some sort of storage.
Lots of construction happening here.
Okay. So some storage facility will come up here, because there is a rail facility, even waterways, so they can put some of the goods here. So that is what Sir Novin was telling me just now. If water, when the water was overflowing this side, this must be all gone then. No? Yeah. Oh my gosh. So Sir Nobin was saying that during the heavy rain, while he was returning from Golpara side, this road was under the water, which means you can imagine the level of water.
This area, no?
Hmm.
Water was almost knee level, okay?
Oh my gosh, knee level. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Oh my god, that must be really.
Almost like, you know, carrying away the bike. So,
Lighter bikes will find it difficult.
once scooty could not continue, it got spoiled.
Okay. Scooty got spoiled. Yeah, but then for Royal Enfield and all, even if the water is on the knee length, it will continue. Gonna ride this beast again. Yes. Come on. Wow. People who have got backbone issues, I think it will be difficult for them to handle Royal Enfield. I am just saying my opinion from an Expulse owner experience. That is, Expulse has very good suspension, and it observes the bumps very well because it's a lighter vehicle, and also the suspension is of the latest technology, we can say. It's a monoshock observer, and it does very well, and it's, as I always used to say, this is one of the best suspension bite available in India. So even on good roads, I don't know whether my body is tired or not, but I could feel a little bit not pain as such, but some sort of numbness. So probably, I think, because of suspension. The sitting posture on this bike is perfect, and as I say, I would love to take for a trip to Meghalaya, Royal Enfield. At the same time, I think for bad roads in Nagaland and Manipur, it's not a joke. Need to have a iron backbone. I think Himalayan might be better, but again, since it's a heavy bike, you cannot expect much softer suspension. There is nothing like evening ride, yeah? Such a treat. That was a good jerk. This shop is open, and it is a fabrication shop, so probably they can do some jugaad, I think, here.
Sticker to, eneko asil, eneko futa koribo lage. Paribo?
So the iron holder is made now, and they're trying to fix it up. It is well made now with a stronger iron. Done very well. Credit to these two great men here who did a very good job. Thank you so much. We are going to check the music, no? So ultimately, the iron holder for the speaker is made with a stronger iron. I hope it works better right now, so that for the next trip it won't be a problem. So the iron is much harder, like at least 2.5 times, if not 3 times. So So now Sir Novin is playing music because evening and night especially music is really good. What all these things are happening is like a dream. Oh, that is a police bolero. Sa lao hậu mấy ni vòng gáy không nghe là tiếng gì nữa thế ngoại hắc tiếng gì sa lao hay tiếng bằng là lao nó tao này mới hết ai vào bên này đấy còn là này liêm chấp cha na thì chui là thì bên này hay à các mà tàn tàn bên mình nó sa nuông riu bên mình nó này cũng ngoài mãi hàng đây không nghe thì là lụm đấy Sam he cha le hey agai thu bang to pai na ling na ga ye sa lao suna to kum company tong suna kum nai bam se ti ge agai thu to kum kaniu tong pikon kanu ko kum kaniu tong ram kaniu ko pai na ling na he oh Bongaigaon Tea Estate oh ai hak ding ne it's very huge I can't see the end of the estate. Đại lang thế na kangan he mấy cái hậu tăng ngâm bằng tiếng ấy. Cái này mà ra hậu tăng bằng này thôi. Hey thế na lao đó cũng thế. As cái rẻ họ ngoài đấy hết. Me and Sir Novin taking a good ride, catching quick glimpses of all the beautiful things in Bongaigaon. Cái luang không sai cũng là lúng bấm trong số vậy trong này cũng mà thế là giáo lồng nổi gì. Sau cái luang của mình cái nó ra lao hoa tan gáy không thế nào lúng hay nó gọi hả? Gọi nó như giáo theo sam gọi nó nè thiềm gáy đây. Hey cái giá bài mình thì nó không ai thì cái cũng thiềm mày bay nó hậu ấy cái tàu nó mày xe không thể gọi bằng là sắp ra là lính chơi hello tiếng ấy mà cái luồng tàu luồng của thế bây giờ thấy you can see how people live in the village. One thing is, as I said, the road is too good. You will see the small variety of cows also very common in Assam. Wow. 6:32 p.m. So you can see the evening view. We are here taking tea, so I want some commentary on this place because Sir Novin said that it is a very special place where we get tea, no? Yeah,
That's true. I think this is the tastiest tea in Bongaigaon.
Okay. Tastiest tea in Bongaigaon. So what is the name of the place?
This is called Chaprakata actually.
Okay.
This is very close to Chaprakata flyover.
Okay, flyover, no?
It's on the main road, national highway.
I think no wonder why the many youngsters also come in to take tea, no? Yeah.
Huge crowd waiting for a cup of
Can just say that again?
You can see huge crowd
Waiting for the tea, no?
waiting for a cup of
Yeah, it's very interesting. So here is the tea.